everyone, today I'm gonna share my recipes how to make chicken Thai basil. Now I'm going to prepare Thai basil, sweet mini bell pepper, green bell pepper, chop it to small pieces. This is how I like to chop my bell pepper because it is easy and fast. Now I'm going to smash some Thai chili with garlic clove. I'm smash it a little bit and make the sauce with the sugar, soy sauce, fish sauce, oyster sauce, sriracha sauce, smashed Thai chili with garlic and mushroom seasoning. Mix it until it well combined. Now I'm going to prepare my chicken breast. You can use any type of chicken. You can use breast, thigh, or any part of chicken you want. Now I'm going to add avocado oil and stir garlic and chili until it's golden brown and nice fragrant. Then I'm going to add my chicken breast, stir it a little bit and add our mixing sauce. Stir it until it's cooked. About maybe 1 or 2 minutes, and then add our bell peppers. Stir it about 15 seconds or whenever you like your texture of the vegetable. And then I'm going to finish with Thai basil and all done. And I think this recipe is very simple and very tasty. I hope you enjoyed the recipes and see you in another recipes video soon. Bye bye.